In front of me is Ulefone Note 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the second one and open Background Apps. Now decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Select Split Top and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!